Hello everyone, I'm sorry I'm late, but I'll explain why. So I was, wait, one second. Alright. Hello everybody, welcome back to, oh wait, nobody's here, what the hell? Where is everybody? What's going on? Let me send the announcement. Anyways, guys, the reason it took so long is because the fucking I couldn't, for some reason I couldn't connect my live to the live that was. People are still waiting. 20 people are still waiting on that shit. Hold on. How do I tell them that this is not the right one? Can we look at gold? Yeah, for sure. Ooh, gold. Gold looks nice, guys. Gold looks real nice. So on gold, what I see is what do I see on gold? What are you guys' thoughts on gold so far? I see a pretty good. I do see gold coming down here. It looks like it's starting to, like it wants to create some sort of a reversal. It does look like it wants to create some sort of a reversal. That's what it looks like to me, right? You see it respected these highs. The previous all-time high got respected. Since the previous all-time highs got respected, I do expect gold to now start pushing down. If you look at the 4-hour, the 4-hour is making a nice pattern as well. As you guys see, starting creating this sort of internal downtrend. You had an uptrend, right? You had a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then price closed below right here. It's closed below the most recent higher low, and now it's looking like it wants to retest and then keep coming down. So if we look on the 4-hour, let me mark out that retest area. Very strong rejection area here on the 4-hour. Mark that up. Yeah, no, it looks really good. It looks really good. I have to say, gold looks really good for a sell. Yeah, it's a new stream because I couldn't figure out how to connect, how to go live on the pre-planned stream, or whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm looking for on gold, to be honest. I'm just looking for sells. You also close below this range. If we look at ranges, we got this is a very strong decision area here on gold, guys. Very strong decision area on gold that we still haven't tapped into yet, but we're looking to tap into. Though, yeah, we still haven't filled it completely. You see how we still haven't tapped it, which means that we have room down to go to fill this range. So I would also look for buys from this area, to be honest. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go to sell, then we will see how it goes. I'm not gonna take a sell off of whim. Obviously, if I'm gonna take a sell, I have to see more confirmation. It's not like I believe gold is coming down for those reasons. That doesn't mean I want to take a sell right now. For buys though, I can tell you I'm gonna probably take buys from this area. My stop loss for the buys would probably be somewhere here, and TP would be like so. So like that would be the trade for buys. Something like this. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. I'm actually enter a buy limit here, guys. I'm actually enter a buy limit right here. So let me just switch back to the old version because it's so much better. So that is on gold. I'm entering a buy limit on gold at let me see here. My stop loss will be below these lows. TP will be somewhere up here. That's going to be my position. So pending order, buy limit at 43.98.9. 43.98.9. 38. Stop loss is at 43.88.6. 43.88.6. Now let's see now. I'm going to take that at a with a 4 lot size. I'm gonna risk 2% on that trade, just because I'm like that. I'm just him. And then 4.419. 19 is a TP. There we go. So I'm risking, this is a 1 to 2 trade, 1 to 2 RR trade. I'm risking 4.3k to make 8k, or 4.1k to make 8k. 4 lot size, buy limit on gold at 44.19. There we go, and it is set. Now we'll see. Now we'll just wait and see. I'm just basing that off of the 30-minute decision area. Look at this. Every single time you tap this area, you reject very heavily. So I'm expecting it to do the same now. Simple ass analysis. NLF reject my withdrawal. Only suspect copy trading. That's not fair. Work hard on this firm. They reject withdrawal. Lame reason. If they rejected withdrawal, it's not a lame reason. They definitely saw something. What the hell? Gold took my stop loss and now it's coming down again. Where did you sell from? In the giveaway in this live? Yeah, so I got a few announcements in this live actually that I have to go through. So first thing, let me see. First thing is Spencer has made a Twitter account. So go to x.com. His name is Spencer NLF. So go follow Spencer and go follow me as well on Twitter. We have also launched a second verification software, SumSub, so people should get approved for KYC much better and much quicker. That is also one thing. And then we're also going to give away 3 10K accounts and 4 5K accounts in this live stream. So that is it for today's live. Those are the announcements. Obviously, you also have the code BARD. So if you guys don't know, go use code BARD right now. If you're looking to get an account, there's no reason you shouldn't use code BARD. You get 50% off any account you choose, half the price, and then you also get a free account when you buy an account more than $25. So you get 2 accounts for half the price of 1 account, which is pretty good if you ask me. 4433.2 is my sales of 1 hour no wick. Oh, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Where is your stop loss though? That is the real question. Is your stop loss up here? Because your stop loss should have been here. So you should have already hit TP on this one. Because you took a trade here. Stop loss above this previous high. Breathing room. TP 1-to-1. Yeah, you should have already hit TP on this one. 37. The stop loss is 37. Then you should have hit TP. Should have hit TP already. Gold is very unpredictable nowadays. Yeah. Yep, it is. Yeah, I was making lunch, was up 150 pips, and you didn't close? Oh, that's on you, bro. That is on you, bro. Oh my, now you're back to break even. Fucking hell, that's annoying. That's on you. That's annoying as hell. That has happened to me as well. Oh fuck, I'm muted. Damn, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Look, I'm not saying gold should come down or is gonna come down. I'm saying if gold comes down, that's the area I'm taking buys from. That is all I'm saying. Right? So from 43.98.9. Let's see. By the way, Bart, I'm still in because dollar very strong. The dollar is very strong at the moment. It just broke above that high as well. It's in a very clear uptrend. Daily looks good. Yeah, the dollar looks really good. Yeah, I mean, it's very evident that the gold should start coming down here. I'm looking to sell 4,443. 43. That is a good rejection area. You could definitely sell from there. Although I would be careful because on the 4-hour it does not look too good. And I don't even think you're going to come up and tap that area. I think you're looking to reject here, which you have a very strong area on the 5-minute that you're rejecting off of. The 30s should start coming down here heavily. Hey Bart, how's it going? That's a 200k account. Yes, sir. That is a 200k account with NextLevelFunded. What I miss? Nothing really. Is there any giveaway today? Yes, there are giveaways today. We're going to give away 3 10k accounts and 2 or 4 5k accounts. No, dollar way too strong for us to go up there? Yeah. Dollar is very strong right now, although gold is also very strong, and it's war tensions, you know? Just because dollar goes up doesn't mean gold also has to go up with it. So what happens when there's war is obviously both gold and dollar are seen as safe haven assets, which means that whenever there's war tensions and whenever people are freaking out, they usually lump their money to both of those two assets. Therefore, both gold and dollar moves up simultaneously. Do you trade with USD or just gold? I just trade gold. I made over 4K on silver this week. Good job. I mean, gold is looking very eager to drop. It's like waiting and waiting and waiting, and it's about to drop very soon. Bard, delete the other stream. I cannot do that for some reason. I don't know. I'm not currently logged into the NLF account. I need Spencer to log in. And Spencer is AFK right now, so I don't think I actually can. You know what? Let me try. Yeah, no, I can't. Unfortunately, guys, how are there still how are there still people waiting on the other one? I feel bad, bro. Gold is very stubborn. It doesn't want to drop. It'll drop. It'll drop. It's just currently consolidating. Let's look at. I think the 1 minute looking crazy. Yeah, look at this. The 1 minute is just. So, but it should drop here as soon as, especially since the 1 minute is creating this downtrend right now. So, just break these lows, guys, and you'll be seeing a waterfall down. I think there was one pair that had a pretty nice comp. Was it AU? Dude, AU with the comp has been insane, guys. AU with the comp has been absolutely freaking insane. Bar, new hairstyle. No new hairstyle, bro. You know what? I'm never gonna change hairstyle. I'm just gonna be the same. Always gonna be the same, guys. I might get a taper fade. That's all, but nothing more than that. Like a taper fade is the farthest I go. Na, 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 na. One crazy thing about gold is that 4,400 upward is filled with support level. Every point there is support, eager to shoot up to 4,500. I mean, oh, coming up here on gold. Interesting. Like I said, war tensions entails that both gold and the dollar shoots up. You think we're gonna touch 5K this year? With the way things are going, yes. Definitely. Look, I think gold is... I think as long as the war tensions keep on boiling, I think as long as the world keeps on fucking itself up, we're gonna see gold just keep on pumping and pumping and pumping. I think that's just how it is. Yeah, safe haven, exactly. Exactly. I don't see gold. The way the world is going, I don't see gold losing value anytime soon, to be honest. I feel the same. Gold will fall. I think gold will fall. I love you. Hold. Pause. I think gold will fall. Gold definitely gets to 5K this year. I definitely it should be around March, April. Yeah, when it will fall, I don't quite know. Summer, you see, summer isn't really a time for gold to push. Like let's look at previous summers. So the latest this summer, 2025, you see consolidation. Let's look at the previous summer. Yeah, summer 2024, same. No crazy pushes. The crazy pushes on gold, let's see. Yeah, summer 2023, look, same thing. So summers aren't really a time for gold to push. Usually golds make crazy pushes either beginning of the year. So look, January, February, right? Same thing here. February, March. So beginning of the year, right? Or late year. Like after summer, that's usually when gold starts pump. So I think what will happen is the same thing that has happened pretty much every other summer, is that right now gold will likely pump a bit. It's January, so we'll see some sort of pump during January, February, right? It might break all-time highs, and then during summer it'll kind of just and then you'll see one other pump on after summer. That's usually what happens. I feel the same way too. Banks are starting to move to silver. Also, last year silver was 35, and I thought we was overbought. Now we're at 80. Still at 35. I'll be honest, bro. I knew silver was gonna pump. Like, there's no way gold pumps and silver lags behind that far, right? At the end of the day, they're both metal, and they're very tied. So if gold pumped that hard, I knew silver was just lagging behind and was just trailing right behind gold and was gonna do the same thing someday. Like, I just knew it. It was so evident. So I mean, I didn't do it myself because I'm retarded. But when people ask me about silver, I'm like, it's a good buy opportunity. I told my dad to buy. I told my girlfriend's dad to buy. Like, I told a bunch of people to buy silver. I don't know if anybody listened to me, but I didn't listen to myself, and now it's insane. Now silver has gone fucking crazy. Zaka Bolnar, please English. Look at NAS 100. I can look at it, but I don't trade NAS 100. Dude, what a head and shoulder! What a beautiful head and shoulders pattern. You rarely see a head and shoulders pattern this good. Insane head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, damn. Looks really good. For sales, obviously. Failed to break the high continuously twice. Cool. I feel the same way too. I'm very much in love with you. Yeah, I should see gold come down here anytime soon. I mean, it's a bad time as well because it's so late. It's so late during the day. That's why I like Asia session much more, guys. I think Asia session is such a better. Like, I'll be completely honest with y'all. Like, I rarely even look at gold during New York. I think Asia session, or no, London session. My bad. London session is by far London session is the best time to look at gold, and it's not even close. Gold or any pair in general. Like, trading is just so much better during London session. It's not even fun. Damn, a lot of less people here than usual. I think it's because I'm pretty sure it's because I didn't live stream on the right. On the right place. You know, I should have started my live stream on the pre. What is it called? Should have started my live stream on the pre. The pre-planned live stream. The live stream that was set up, that people were waiting for. I should have live streamed there, but I didn't know how to connect it, so therefore. Some Twitter X-Forks analysts be saying gold. Dude, there's so many different traders, so many analysts, especially on X, bro. You can't trust that shit. That's why you gotta choose one strategy, go very deep into it, learn it, and just build your own intuition and your own knowledge. You cannot go after what other people are saying on Twitter because there's going to be so many conflicting thoughts. Are you a pattern trader? Yeah, I'm a technical analyst trader. So yeah, you could call that a pattern trader. Yeah, I go off of patterns and regulations that happen often, or that happen many times in the market. Bro, you don't trade crypto? No, I just hold crypto long term. I hold crypto long term. I do not trade it. I think that's a 1 hour no-wick candle. Yeah, there's another no-wick candle. 1 hour no-wick candle right there. Interesting. Okay, the clock has hit 4, which means that we're gonna start some giveaways here, guys. We're gonna do some giveaways. So you guys know how these ones go. Let's see. Let's do this. Today we're gonna give away 3-5. Wait, what was it supposed to give away? Let me see. Gonna give away 3 10K accounts and 4 5K accounts. Chat. All right, go to that form and fill that form in only once. Oh shit, I can't even post the form. You know what, guys? We can't do a giveaway today. We cannot do a giveaway today. The reason we can't do a giveaway is because I currently don't have access to the NLF email because Spencer has access to all that and he is not online. He was last seen 2 hours ago, so I'm not gonna wake him up if he's sleeping, but we'll do this. I'll do the double giveaway next time I stream. So next time I stream, I'll make sure to have that sorted for y'all and I'll do a double giveaway. I think that's the best way to go about it. So apologies, but hey, at least you got a pretty good analysis out of me. So look on gold for buys from 43.98.9. On which other pair was it that we analyzed? Yeah, on GU, look for sells from 1.34846 right here. Those are two positions I'm going to be looking to take within today and tomorrow. So yeah, that's it from me guys today. I think, let's see, my next stream is next Thursday. Spencer will be streaming on Tuesday. It won't reach the level. We'll see. If it does, we'll be ready. If it doesn't, we won't care because it wasn't our position. So yeah, we'll do the giveaway Tuesday. Yeah, exactly. Professor said it. We'll do the giveaway Tuesday, so you guys get double giveaways. But I just can't access the account now, and Spencer is not awake because it's different time zone. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. It's been your boy Bard, and I'll see you in the next. Remember to use code BARD, capital letters BARD, to get 50% off any account on the website, plus an account free when you buy. Anyways, there y'all. Peace out.